Hiya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie Henshaw. If you're new here, then welcome. It's lovely to meet you. And if you're already existing, guys, then thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Just grab us a nice cup of tea and some snacks, and let's get into today's video. You might be wondering why I'm standing just in a random doorway. It's because it's such a lovely sunshiny day today, like a real spring day, and the sunshine is just beaming through the rooms, so you can't really see them because we have shutters in all the rooms. I just look like I've got lines all over my face. So today's video is a vlog. So you really have loved the vlogs lately, and it's really nice actually to do these and just do like a little daily day thing. I'm in a spring dress, which is my Free People one that I got for my birthday last year, and yeah, I'm just going to take you about. I've actually got a child-free day, or for half the day, half a school day between the hours of 9 and 12, which is really lovely. So I'm going to take you on a little trip. I was going to say a little ship. I'll take you on a little ship. We'll go on a little boat. I'm going to take you on a little trip. I'm going to get my nails done because they are peeling off. And I cut them down really short because I was doing a little bit of DIY around the house. Gonna have a little look around some of the shops. And yeah, and then once we get back, I've got to do some cleaning, so I'll tackle some bits indoors, and then I will have Albert with me as well. And I just thought we'd do a day vlog. How do you feel about that one? So I thought we'd do that one. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video, guys, and I'm gonna get in now.
I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being abusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now.
So I'm back home now, got my nails done. I actually sat in the chair and said to the man I just wanted gels, and he was like, do you not want any extensions on your nails? And I thought, do you know what, I haven't had them in ages, and my nails did get really long on their own because they've got really strong. And what I was finding was when I was getting them painted with plain gel, my nails have got so strong and sort of like well conditioned, shall we say, like an oily nail, the gel was just peeling off my nail. It just wouldn't stick. And I was having to file them down quite a bit for the gel to stick, and I didn't really want to do that. So he said he could do a bioma layover, whatever he did. So yeah, so I've got the longer nails this time. So I went for a cherry red, dark sienna, I think it was called. So I got that, and I got my toes to match as well. I won't show you those because some people are foot opposed, aren't they? So in the Home Bargains clip of the video, because I'm going to mash all these videos together, these little clips that I've took, you'd have seen the mushroom basket. Now I just took to the till and like fingers crossed it was going to be like a reasonable price. I know it would be because it's Home Bargains, but I had like my mind set on a certain price, and if it went over that, then I weren't going to spend it. When it got scanned, I was like, really? These are going to fly. So I'd definitely go there quickly. So this mushroom basket, which is huge, by the way, got the little hole on top. Albert's got a lot of like soft teddies and stuff, like cuddly teddies, and I thought this would be perfect for that. This mushroom basket, and the lid comes off, and it's also got these little metal bits to keep it inside so it don't fall off. This was $17.99. $17.99. I mean, I've seen these, but really expensively in like other sort of Scandinavian kid shops. I mean, you could even paint this red, this top bit, if you went for that really toadstool theme. But I love the neutrals. It's going to go lovely in his bedroom. And I actually didn't get a bag today. I just used this one to get these. So I actually got some of these little flowers as well that I'm going to put on my garden table. Oh, we've got a little bit hanging. Pink kisses. They're called something. Pyanthus. What are they called? Oh no, they said what they were when there's that stuff. These were $1.99 each. I thought these are really lovely. Oh, they go in my dress. So I got these pink kisses. And I'm going to put these on the table in little terracotta pots, and I think they'll look really cute. So I've got 2 of those. And then I also got Millie these. So I wonder if it says on the receipt whether the name of what they are. Dianthus, that's what the plants are. Pink kisses. So I got Millie these. These are the dupes of the Soldier De Niro Bum Bum Cream and the spray. Now, Millie for Christmas did get the one, like the actual Soldier De Niro, and I really wanted to see what the hype was because everyone was saying these smell exactly the same and they're basically like the same quality. So I got these. These were $3.99 each, and I got these for her to see, and I did smell them. And they do smell basically exactly the same. And I got her the little spray as well, just as a little treat. She has been really good actually. And I got her a report come back. And I was actually so impressed. She's since so far, since starting in September, she's gone on 2 award trips because she's just been good and had really good attendance, which I think is really good. And obviously that shows that that's a good school, that they do that as well, gives the incentives. But yeah, I'm really proud of her. A report come back and she'd been really, really good. So I thought I'd actually get her these just like a little treat. $3.99 each, can't go wrong. So I got those. That is all I got. Well, isn't all I got. I did get that jacket from the charity shop. I'm sorry, but this is going to look beautiful with like just like a little white t-shirt underneath, pair of jeans and like a little pair of pumps. So expensive looking. It probably was expensive back in the day. This is East Tex, made in Great Britain. Yeah, the size 16. 75% wool. Can't go wrong, can you? Can't go wrong. It looks very expensive, and I paid £3 for it. I will say though, I did try on the quilted one. Now that's a bit more of an oversized style. I did try on the quilted one and it was very, very fitted. Now I know I have these big sleeves on, but it was really, really fitted. And I was thinking, because me and my sister was actually talking about this the other day, a lot of people say that Marilyn Monroe was a size 16, and she was, but the sizes have actually changed. So if you try a size 16 on now from a charity shop that's really, really old, it's probably going to be smaller than your standard if you put them together. And actually, for the UK, Marilyn Monroe's dress that she wore, that blew up, that was the equivalent to a size 16, like then, is actually the equivalent between a size 8 and 10. In nowadays clothes. So she was very, very tiny. So when people say she was size 16, she actually wasn't in today's sizing because it's got larger. So just a little bit of knowledge there. You can look it up on Google if you don't believe me. But yeah, so I got those bits and I'm going to get in my PJs now. I'm probably going to take my makeup off too, see how I feel, get in my PJs, and I've got to get my house a clean. Everybody
a job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired, I'm running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong.
Hey guys, the house is all nice and tidy. My friend actually popped in as well and we had a little cup of coffee together. So I'm going to be doing dinner and we're going to be using HelloFresh. I've been using HelloFresh now for a while. I just love using HelloFresh, it's so convenient. I'm going to unbox it all and share with you as well why I love it. We have a discount code for you guys as well, which I'll share at the bottom. So the reason I've been using HelloFresh for so long and so often is because I just love the convenience of it. I love that all the numbers correlate to the packet, so you literally just grab it out the cupboard. You do have like a little freeze bag one where you put your fridge in so it keeps it cool when it gets delivered. And all your ingredients will be super fresh. I'll unbox these in a moment. So I've got the stir-fried honey sesame beef noodles. That's a family meal and it shows you how long it takes to prepare, how many of your 5 a day. We've also got creamy chicken masala, this is a quick dinner. And then we've also got another family one, which is the chipotle, pork tacos and wedges. And all of the nutritional value will be on the back with a step-by-step guide on how to prepare it. I love this and I always keep all of my recipe cards. And yeah, I just love the convenience of it, and they can go into the cupboard. All your ingredients come, even like the tiny little bits of stock paste and all your seasoning, your spices. You don't need anything extra, and that's why I love using HelloFresh. So I've decanted it all. I've got my garlic and my chicken starting to fry off in the frying pan. And I wanted to show you all of the ingredients come super fresh. We've got our peas, obviously we've got the garlic and chicken in the pan, tomato puree, chicken stock paste, our tikka paste, sour cream and our rice. So every single thing that you're going to need, every component for this meal will all be here. So I'm going to start off by reading the instructions, getting this ready, and I'll show you how I'm going to cook it and I'll show you what it comes out like at the end. But literally it's so fuss free. All the quantities have been measured out exactly how much you need. So there's no thinking about it. Follow step by step, super simple, and you have really lovely meals. And that's the finished result. I always dish Archie's dinner up before I add the peas, as he doesn't like these, but I love that you can mix this up. So if you'd like to use my code, you'll get 60% off your first box and then 25% off your next 8 boxes. It's definitely well worth it. Take care, guys. Bye.